Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a cocktail sauce. Sometimes referred to as a seafood sauce, this smooth and tangy sauce is most famous for shrimp rings and prawn cocktails, but it goes with most seafood very, very well. Let's take a look at what we need to make it, alright? To make my cocktail sauce, we're going to need 90 milliliters, that's 6 tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to need 30 milliliters, that's 2 tablespoons of horseradish. I like using extra hot horseradish. We're also going to need 10 milliliters, that's 2 teaspoons each of Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and honey. This sauce is exceptionally easy to prepare, so you can do it right before you're ready to serve. To a bowl, add your horseradish, add your ketchup, add your Worcestershire sauce, add your lemon juice, add your Dijon mustard, and add your honey. Mix it all together until it's smooth and consistent. I find it better to mix this in a larger bowl than you intend on serving it in. As a dipping sauce, it should be served right to the brim of the container you're serving it in. But since some of these ingredients are a little runny, it can be hard to stop them from going overboard while you're mixing. Today, I'm serving my cocktail sauce in a store-bought shrimp ring. And there you have it, cocktail sauce. Smooth and tangy, easy to make, servable on a wide range of seafoods, from shrimp rings to prawn cocktails to fish and chips to whatever you want. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.